Before shipping, we check each part and apply bilingual labels at the same time, making sure everything is accurate. Each label clearly shows the name. Even without a pro installer, you can start setting it up quickly. We pack each part the right way for safer transport. Fragile parts like motors are wrapped in anti-shock bubble wrap. Large steel structures are covered with stretch film to prevent moisture and scratches. Electrical components, cables, and small parts go in wooden crates, safe, tidy, and easy to install. To keep sea transport safe and stable while saving on shipping costs, we plan ahead based on each part and destination, deciding the best total load and layout for every container. Once everything's loaded, we secure it with strong straps, so your equipment stays steady and protected all the way. Before sealing, we double-check the quantities and protection. Each container gets its own number and photos. We make sure it gets to your factory fast, helping you cut downtime and boost your return on investment, so you can get production running sooner. From manufacturing to delivery, we take care of every detail at GuanHui. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more crane stories from GuanHui.